In today's video, I'm going to be bringing you some Redbubble shop reviews, all with the aim to help you guys to create your perfect Redbubble store. Now, this is literally like the second time for me recording this video fully. So just for the determination and the commitment towards you guys, please do drop a like, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this one. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand stores. Now, if you do happen to be new around here and you haven't already, please do click on that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, and then that way you won't miss out on any future uploads. We've also helped a lot of people to get their first online sales through sites like Redbubble. So if you want to become a part of that, make sure that you are keeping up to date with the videos. Down in the description, I've got a free print-on-demand starter guide that featured a lot of the information that I used when I started up. And for anyone who's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down in the description as well. So check that out if that's something you would be interested in. Now, as for today, like I said, I'm going to be reviewing some shops, giving some tips, and hopefully helping you guys to improve your shops. If your shop doesn't appear and you want me to review your shop in a future episode, down in the description, there's actually a link there where you guys can submit your shops to be reviewed. I do my best to get through as many shops as possible, but I won't get a chance to look at all of the shops, as sometimes there are a lot of shops. And as for this video, I actually recorded it fully before, but the sound wasn't there. So a lot of the shops I'm going to be seeing now, I have seen them before. I'm literally just going to be rehashing what I said before, but there's a lot of good information there. So guys, be prepared for this one. Jumping us straight into it, the first shop I'm talking about is this shop here. So I think it's a two-person shop because I'm seeing Neil X Sharma there. So for the two people that are running the shop, I just want to say straight off the bat, the banner looks nice. I like the design on it. It's really eye-catching, and I like the fact that they've gone with a simple logo, matches the style of the shop. Now this shop only has 33 designs, so obviously they've got a long way to go in terms of consistency till they have enough designs to actually see where to go with the shop. And from what I can see here, they've got collections, but they don't have a featured collections. So that's something that I would add into the shop myself. They've got a lot of sticker packs in this shop, and sticker packs are things that tend to do quite well, but they mainly do well if you are covering things that people are looking for. So a big tip for this shop is to make sure that you are looking at trends. This doesn't have to be forever, just in this moment in time. Look for trends to help to get your shop out there. Once your shop is out there, you can start focusing on evergreen designs to build your shop that way. Going off this design, I can see in regards of the title, it's nothing linked to anything that's trending. I know this before because, like I said, I did record this before I checked, but there's nothing to do with this that's trending. What they need to do is to make sure that they are using more relevant tags, as the tags here that are used aren't too relevant. And obviously this goes to if they then start working with trending topics in the future. Relevant tags will make a difference, and always try to make sure that a lot of the keywords you have in your tags feature in the title as well as the description, as that does help. And I also like the fact that this shop has pretty much everything activated, which a lot of people don't actually seem to do, as you go on to find out in this episode. And yeah, talking about this episode, that jumps me on to the next shop. The next shop is this shop right here, run by, I should say, Itika Bhattacharjee. I hope I've said that correctly. The shop has 42 designs, clean looking banner. It's another shop that needs a little bit more work to take it to where it needs to get to. They also don't have a featured collection, which is disappointing, but they do have some collections, which is always good to see. The person running this shop is a very artsy person, as you guys can see. A lot of these designs look like things they've created themselves. I like the fact that they've got some text-based designs and they've got different color variants, which all of you guys should actually be trying to do if you're not already adding color variants to your designs. And I'm seeing they're mainly on stickers, t-shirts, and a few other different products, but I do like the vibe that this shop gives. They've only got 16 favorites at the moment, but once again, with 42 designs, they've still got a long way to go to get that consistency going, to bring in that traffic. This person, I personally feel, will do very, very well by covering sticker packs. Things that sticker packs tend to do well with this style of design. So that's something they should definitely be looking into. And looking at this design, I just want to say, obviously, in regards of the title, self-explanatory, as you guys can see. It just says what the image says itself. They've got a nice description there, which is good to see, and it's only activated on 63 products. So this is something instantly that I would fix. I would make sure that you're making more things available, as this increases the chances of you potentially getting sales. And in terms of the tags, things like Redbubble artist, I would remove from the tags because that doesn't really need to be there, but instead I would replace that with keywords that seem to be trending, that feature similar words as to what you might already have here. So if I put business in the search bar, you can see something is trending here that says mind the business that pays you. Now, I understand obviously the title is not exactly the same as that, but business is a keyword that was featured there. So I would put mind the business that pays you in your tags. If there's a way you can fit it in your description or even your title, I would do that, mainly because it's going to allow your design to get pushed to a bigger audience. At the end of the day, that is what everyone is trying to do. You're trying to get more eyes on your designs to increase the chance of getting the sales that you want to be getting. Taking us onto the third shop, we have this shop right here called Scrub Life Tees. Now, I like the fact that obviously there's bright colors on the banner, but my OCD is telling me that I need to tell this person that they need to kind of center that text a bit more. The fact that it's so high and there's a lot of space below it messes with my mind. So if I had to give advice in regards to the banner, that's just one simple fix they could do. They're doing well though. They've got 168 designs, which is always good to see. 3 collections, but no featured collection, unfortunately. And they've got a lot of t-shirt based designs, some stickers, a lot going on, which is always good to see. And looking at this design here, I can see that it says, this radiologist loves dogs. Now, this is a good thing to do, kind of niching down like this. And I like the fact that instead of just niching down to radiologist, they also mixed in the dog niche. Now, if we were to quickly search this, I'll just put radiologist loves dogs. You're going to be surprised in regards of how many results pop up here, guys. There's only 32 results, which is insane. So this person is doing a really great job in regards of niching down. So in regards to the title, I feel like they've done something good. But as for the design itself, it's really hard to read it correctly. At first glance, it looks like it says this pediologist loves dogs. The R looks like a P. So I would look thicker. I would use even thicker and clearer fonts to allow the text to stand out. But I do like the fact that they've used the dog. The dog looks pretty cute, and this is a design that could potentially do well. They've only got it activated on 78 products. You guys already know how I feel about this. I always tell people to try their best to activate as many designs as possible. And as for the tags, they've done a fairly good job with the tags. I would add a few more tags, maybe that feature the word radiology or radiologist, just to kind of bump them up to get maybe up to 15 tags. I like the fact that obviously they've done something like this. This is obviously a design that could become scalable, so you could just change the word radiologist to other things. And yeah, I like the fact that they've took the time to kind of try to be creative in the niches that they are covering. And that's something I recommend for all of you guys to at least try. Next up, we have AML or Am I'm not too sure how I would pronounce that. Banner straight off the bat looks really cool. They've got some products there. The logo matches up with the banner, which is always good to see. They've only got 37 designs at the moment, so obviously they need to keep consistently uploading before they can fully review what direction they want to take their shop in. They do have a featured collection at the top, which is always good to see. I'm pretty sure this is the first of the video, which is a little bit surprising. And nevertheless, below that, there's some normal collections, which makes life easier for the customer when it comes to trying to look at designs in a particular niche. I like the fact that they're using their landscape styled greetings cards. Not a lot of people use them, and they are a little bit of an advantage for those people that use greetings cards. It's easy to do them. You just use the dimensions I usually recommend, and you flip them so it becomes 7,100 by 5,000, and then you'd get like the landscape slanted greetings card for those who don't know how to do that. Looking through the shop, obviously a lot of things going on, some sticker based designs, t-shirt based designs, and yeah, obviously they're focusing on a lot of things. I think they've got some French based designs in there, so this might be someone who's from France. So it looks like they're just trying to work with what they can do, which is always good to see. Clicking on this design here, obviously it's in related to Dogecoin. The design itself obviously is not trademarked, but Dogecoin might now be trademarked for products like t-shirts and stuff like that. So I mean, if it wasn't trademarked in that way, what I would usually recommend here is to add more keywords to the title. So it could be things like crypto, cryptocurrency, meme coin, stuff like that, just to help with search results. Scrolling down, obviously they've got a nice little description. I would add a few more keywords in there. Only 77 products activated, so I would activate a few more products there just to make sure that chances of selling are increased. And as we go down, I'll definitely increase the tags and add more crypto based tags, as if I haven't said it enough already, it helps with the search. Now, this design itself, it looks like something they've probably created themselves. The main thing they would be looking at working on here is pretty much the titling, tags, and the additional information. But as for the whole shop, I'd recommend for this person to stay consistent, keep posting designs, and then after they've hit, let's say 100 designs, they can then see which designs are bringing in the most favorites, most sales, allowing them to improve their shop going forward. And yeah, finishing us off, we have this shop here. So it's called Rax Art. The banner is probably the cleanest looking banner of the episode so far. I like the fact that they're using images of people wearing their designs on shirts, which is a good touch. And in regards of the logo just works, you know, it's nothing extra, but it works with obviously what they've got going on with the banner. They've got 162 designs, which is great to see. Featured collection, which is good to see again on another shop, with more collections below that. And as for the first collection, you can clearly see this looks a little bit like a scalable niche. Now, for anyone who does cover scalable niches, it's good to put them in collections and make them stand out like this. For anyone who doesn't understand what a scalable niche is, it's a niche design where you can literally just change one word but use the same kind of idea. But let's say if I click into this, you see attention is stupid, or I thought that we're going to have a bunch of designs that pretty much look like this, and then obviously they'll change one word. They've not done this, but if you were creating scalable design yourself, so an example would be I am a dog mom, so you change the mom to dad, so it'd be I am a dog dad, I am a dog father, grandfather. You get the gist. It's good to put scalable niches in collections anyways. And looking at the rest of the shop, I mean, they've got a lot going on in regards of stickers, and I would strongly advise them to actually make sticker packs. I see that they do have sticker packs here, but the only downside of having sticker packs in the dog niche is the fact that there's a lot of competition. The main aim of creating sticker packs is to give you a competitive advantage. So you want to find a small niche, preferably one that's trending, one that doesn't have a lot of people using sticker packs. And if you put your sticker packs in a niche like that, that will give you a big boost in terms of an advantage, increasing your chances of potentially getting more sales. Going off this design, it's another crypto-based design. They've titled this Huddle for Doge. I would add more crypto-based keywords in the title, mainly because this would help with the search engine optimization. So the SEO it's called. Now here I would add, once again, like I said before, keywords like cryptocurrency, meme coin, stuff like that, mainly because for me it's worked, so it can definitely work here too. They've got a nice description that they can obviously add a few more keywords into. Product or design, I should say, is only available on 71 products. They definitely want to be activating this on more products, if not all. And as for the tags, they've done a fairly good job with the tags. They've used related tags, so not much to critique there. But as for the rest of it, need to be making sure you're activating more designs and adding more keywords to your titles. I feel like in the long run, this will help in building up the shop and potentially finding that golden nugget of a design idea that could allow this shop to blow up, start getting a lot of traffic, which could lead to a lot of sales. But yeah, guys, that is it for today's shop reviews episode. This is the second time I've had to re-record this, so please drop a like on this one if you're still watching. And if you have made it to this point of the video and you want me to cover more reviews moving forward, comment down more reviews and I'll keep these coming. I really do enjoy making these, and for anyone who wants their shops to be reviewed, the link is down in the description where you can submit your shop. But anyways, that is it for today, guys. Always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.